Holy J. Subscribe to Holy J. Holy J.
Holy J TV. Are you holy?
WAIRIMU KIMANI made a public apology to Bishop Ben and JCM Church and Damaris wa Dama Mobile Spares. Berene ararutete statement in a written form. No tha ici aronire eke video ya kushunga muhera na maybe gukiareria mafans na gukimera what happened. And nie ndiuĩ niki andu aingi maramukirira na njira nene muno. People are still angry at her and I don't know why. Aikorwo ni turoheire bazuri na turohera wa kindukuru ri na turohera ginya Dama ri WAIRIMU KIMANI agitwikire ki tutingemuohera niki tutangiohera na WAIRIMU KIMANI si mambo tulisema inaisha si tulisema hii mambo isha jameni agikorwo ni ayumiritie na auga pore gutiri undu ungi ungikika ndagifuta video yo ndangimifuta thimu-ini ciake ndangimifuta recording yo metu-ini itu she can do nothing riu we waga kumuohera niwe wiku ni ta uria bazuru twaga ku accept recording yo ni ithu twiku is us who is there koguo ni no njuge let us have a forgiving heart na tuohere WAIRIMU KIMANI tuseme maji yakimwagika hayazoreki tutingiungania mai macio riu tuge ati riu tondu ni uraitire mai no nginya tumenye uria tukurogota mai macio tumie hau home fiu mai macio tumacokie gikombe nothing like that can happen koguo tuge na ngoro ya kuohanira na nigetha maundu makoro mefiti tungikora aici tungikora andu macukanaga na njira njuru muno ta imagine we wandikitwa uyu ni mucukani njorua uyu ni muragani oragite andu 15 uyu ni muici you know let us have a forgiving heart and WAIRIMU KIMANI hatiri undu ungika it's high time you accept just accept ona waru muri ugwika atia tangigithi gucokeria kila
because I got them through this. I take full responsibility for that because I'm the one who anyway I don't want to even get into the detail of that because that's not why I'm here. I'm trying to say that there are so many lessons that have been learned. And the Bible says in the book of Romans chapter 8 verse 28, all things work for good for those who love the Lord. Even in all this, something has worked for good. You may not see it. You may not even fathom it. All things work for good. So even in this pandemic, even in this situation, horrible situation, something good will come out of this.